Today you join me in a really fascinating car. Yes, it's a Ford Super Deluxe Woodie, but not your ordinary one. The eagle-eyed amongst you will spot it as a 1942 by the front end treatment. And you really don't come across these very much. Civilian production only lasted 6 weeks into 1942 for fairly obvious reasons. This car was reportedly built in and around the 1st of February in 1942, so really towards the tail end of production, and was supposedly one of 200 sold to the US Navy. And it spent the first few years of its life on a US Navy base in Maine, being used effectively as a station car to shuttle pilots to their aircraft. So, quite the heavy history, and absolutely fascinating. As for what we know about this one, we've got an old title for a Virginia owner who acquired it in 1980, definitely as a project. A restoration began, I think, in the 90s or thereabouts. I've got a receipt for an engine rebuild in 1999. A lot of the woodwork was done around that time, and we have photos of that in the car's history as well. That project stalled. In about 2007, it was sold on to a Massachusetts owner who completed the restoration in 2011 or so. It has a AACA First Prize win plaque with it from 2012. And it is pretty much as it was. This car comes from a repeat client of ours who owns a sort of vintage warbird museum or vintage plane museum. So yeah, this is a fantastic opportunity to own a very unique Woodie. Every Woodie is a crowd pleaser, there's no doubt about that. This one just has that extra bit of fascination with it thanks to its unique history. As for this car itself, it goes down the road pretty well. It's very hot out today. It's not running too warm. It hot starts, cold starts reasonably happily. Showing, what is that, 52,000 miles from new. If you're catching the wind, I apologize. Every window and vent is open in this today. It's 92, 93 degrees, something like that. So it is necessary for my survival that we have all those windows open. So yeah, the condition of it is really honest. You know, it's a nice restoration. It's not flawless. I don't think it needs to be. The previous owner did save the original door skins, the wooden door skins that have the Navy markings on them, which is really cool. We got some extra parts as well. Some photos of the restoration, that sort of thing. That flathead V8, I think, was about 100 horsepower. It moves this thing pretty well, actually. The synchros on the gearbox feel nice. Of course, there isn't one on firsts, as you saw back at that intersection there. And I thought I was stationary, but I wasn't quite stationary. The brakes feel okay. They require quite the push, as you'd imagine. The switchgear works well in here. I can see that we've got, good oil pressure, that we're charging. Temperature gauge is hanging out pretty much right in the middle. 3/4 of a tank of fuel. I don't think the clock works. I haven't looked. Cool thing.